Welcome back to Demo Mondays. Demo Mondays is video series where we invite different Amazon software creators and we ask them to present a product just like this on the screen. And today my guest is Zero to Hero by Profit Whales. And Zero to Hero is presented by Vitaly. Hello, Vitaly.
Hello, Augustas.
It's nice to meet you again. And those who are watching regularly our Demo Mondays series, you will notice that we did one demo with Vitaly for Profit Whales. And today we have a Zero to Hero by Profit Whales. So please explain, Vitaly, what is this product about and how does it help Amazon sellers?
I think that we come back to the Orange Klik with a new product because previously we have discussed with you a automation software, automation software that helps Amazon sellers on the US marketplace to optimize all the campaigns, work with bids and all of that. And after that, we understand that we would be glad to present a new software and make some steps back in a case of creating the structure of all campaigns that you need. Now we start from the sponsored products campaigns that will have and collect all needed keywords, all needed negatives, all needed essence of your competitors, like everything in one place. And it will work in a case of your strategies that you will choose next in our automation, like optimization software.
All right. And this tool, the new tool, it works for what marketplaces of Amazon?
This tool works for the US marketplace still. We are working on expanding, our borders to the new marketplaces. But now, we tested on the US. And then we will go to the Canada, we will go to the Europe, and to the other marketplaces too.
And Zero to Hero, for what kind of Amazon seller is the best fit?
For all of the Amazon, for all of the Amazon sellers that you have, the main question here is that are you ready to go with a PPC? If you will tell yes, or if you have a chance or experience, working with the PPC previously, so we also will help you. The Zero to Hero is like the basic, the fundamentals for your success, on the PPC market. Why? Because we will help you to get all relevant keywords in one place. We will absolutely create different strategies in a case of long tail keywords, the mid volume or high volume keywords. We will divide them in different ad groups, in different campaigns, and also the really important thing that you will have a list of the negatives, and you will not have irrelevant traffic into your listings. That it's really important to keep your conversions up, not down. So for all of the Amazon sellers.
Perfect. So I think it's perfect time to check how does your tool look inside.
Yeah, let's do so. Here it is. It is like the main window that you will see after you will go inside, into the Zero to Hero software. We will work on another campaigns too, the sponsored brands and sponsored display. It will come in soon. We will do the sponsored display by the end of this summer, and then we will come back to the sponsored brands too. Now I will show you the sponsored products, is the most effective campaign that we have for right now, because more than 80% of sales come from sponsored products. But now we knew the trends of the Amazon, sponsored brands and display. But now let's speak about it. So the Zero to Hero campaigns, they are divided on 4 different models, and this model is focusing on bots, negative model, growth model, and control. If just speak briefly about the sponsored products, about the Zero to Hero, in the case of the sponsored products, so this structure gives you a control each of the pieces that you have and performance data on every keyword that you use, because we use 8 unique campaigns with 30 to up to like 120 ad groups inside with plus 300 relevant keywords for your product. Yeah, and these campaigns could be created in your account just within a few minutes. Would take around like 10-15 minutes after you start here to you will get the already all like done campaigns inside your account. So the zero to hero is like a really great step that helps you to generate all the campaigns inside, yeah, and use them to boost your sales. So here's like more explanation about it, but let's look, for example, on structure, yeah, that we could create for you. So here you could, for example, find a additional data about the zero to hero. We have created a lot of articles and knowledge base for this product. You could see like all the explanation and everything inside. And what is really cool, you could also find the example of the semantic core that we will create for you. So you will see a number of keywords, yeah, like the total keywords count here, the total amount of the parts that we will, like the essence, yeah, that we will have. And you could see also all of the keywords and all of the explanations. You will see on the articles all this data, and you will find out what does it mean, like TPK, DPK, and stuff like that. It's different campaigns, yeah, types that we will use, and we have an explanation for all of them. You will understand how it works. Also, the negative phrases, like everything will be inside. All this information could help you just to understand what could work for you, good or not. So in this way, the zero to hero, it's a perfect way for you to start and do not like spend time on searching on the keywords. So let's check and double check how everything is working. Yeah. So here you should just add one of your products. You will see like all the products that you have inside your account. When you log in and connect your account, yeah, you will see all this data here. You should choose 1 or 3 or 5. It doesn't matter how many products you would like to choose and create for them in campaigns. How to choose them here? Here's like the button, yeah, that will help you to do it. So now I will just show you an example with a one product and what you should do like on the beginning, yeah. The here is like the place where you should provide us with a 3 up to 5 relevant keywords, like the top keywords that you have according to this product. Yeah, these keywords, for example, should have you could, for example, prepare it as I do it for the podcast, a scratch map, and you should just click enter. You should just write down all these 5 keywords that you have, and these keywords will help us to generate all needed keywords that you should have. For example, if you will write down a keyword that will have something the same, yeah, so you could just get this info that, hey, please double check if you have these keywords on your title. If not, it also could work, but it's like one of the eye icons, yeah, that could help you just to understand if you do something good or not. Also, you could find out if you will write down scratch of map, and we will also mark these keywords as like irrelevant one because you will have a scratch map. So we will help you to use only relevant keywords. For example, if you will write down the keywords over, we will tell you, haha, no, please find the best keyword, yeah, that could work for you much better, because the over, it could be a really like not relevant keywords, not specific keyword for this exactly product. So we just go down and we also add another keyword just for getting all 5 here, and that's all. For this product, we have these 5 keywords that could create the main semantic core, yeah, for this product. And after that, we will take this info as like the general one. After that, you could write down the portfolio name. We will make it, for example, or Orange Click. And here you could provide like a portfolio monthly budget. It's up to you. Also, the start date, you could choose like any date. For example, if you are looking forward to your products, yeah, till it will reach the Amazon, you could choose any date or start from today. The 0 to hero campaigns daily budget, it's up to you. You could, for example, write down a 50 or 100, yeah. Default bid, you should choose the your bid based on your like previous results. If you don't have them and you just started the campaigns, we recommend you to start, for example, a up to your like thinking about, yeah, if, for example, a 0.5. Also, a good explanations is here about the all of these steps and all of the checks about the daily budgets and your bids. And really important things here, it's like the guide that you could use according like to the seed keywords, like the best practices. We have write down this article that helps you to find the best keywords for all of the campaigns and to get this understanding, up to the list. So also you could just check the step-by-step guide here on the right corner that will help you to create all needed campaigns just in one click, and it's like it will absolutely work for you the best. So let's come back to this. So default bid, it's based on what would you like to spend. If you have some data, you should just provide us with your average bid. After that, if you're not, just approximate one, a $1 or 0.5. We will help you to optimize it, so no worries about it. Here you should just write down your brand and then enter your competitors' brands. Also, you could prepare all this info. Here it is. Like put it in one place, one by one, or for example, one of them just get, and that's all. It will be absolutely enough, or more if you know them more. For example, 2, 3, or 5 of them. Yeah. Then the optional one, it's like the bid strategies and bid adjustments. You could choose any of them, any that you like. We recommend to use the down only bids only. And also, if you have any data and you absolutely understand that the top of search your product worked best, or you would like to add some multiplies here, you could do it. The relevant keywords, the next one, it's all the keywords that you think could be a really good opportunity, yeah? Because if you have some data according to your search term reports or something like that, according to your experience, you could just add all of these keywords. If you will click, we will just add all of them here, and we will also use it according to for creating a the semantic core for you. And the negative keywords, absolutely, if you work with your products and with all of your campaigns, you have a huge list of the negative keywords or phrases or something like that, and you could just get all of them in one place and put it here as a negative phrase, for example. Here it is. So everything is ready for these campaigns. We have filled all needed campaigns. Just remember that that is optional. It's not, it just helps us to make it more clear and more specific for you. And that's all. Everything is ready to create a campaigns. If you will click on the status create, it will be like a great for you because our products in the like they are working, and you could see that now we just running, yeah, like the pending status for here. If you will ask about the like pricing for all of these products, yeah, I will tell you like next, but what you will see here after that, the status will be finished, and you will find out in your Amazon seller account the new portfolio with all new campaigns here, and you will have a chance just to double check it, just to see all the performing like campaigns in your account. It takes some time. It takes, for example, a 10-15 minutes, and you will see it.
So now we're waiting for a few minutes until campaigns are created by your platform. But could you, Vitaly, explain us what's happening in the background? Why do we have to wait for 10-15 minutes?
Yeah, it takes time because we analyze a lot of data for you. Because we start analyzing all your seed keywords that you provide us. We start analyze your listing, all the keywords that you have inside that could be relevant. We also analyze according like to these top keywords, yeah, like the seed keywords. Everything that your competitors, like top 5 competitors for organic search, they have inside these listings, and we grab all these keywords in one place. We start grouping them. We start like prepare the negatives for them, and all these actions takes time for analyzing all these, for example, 3 or 5 seed keywords that you will provide us. If you will send to us like more data, yeah, like the negatives, like the relevant keywords that we just adding, yeah, with you from our like spreadsheet, you will see that it also help us to make it like to filter, most of the results and to make it more clear. That's why we do and perform, and all these actions take time for analyzing all this data that we have inside. In the case of like the API that we have the Amazon, yeah, just to upload all these campaigns, because we do not like provide you with only the Excel files, for example, and you don't need like what should I do next. We upload it to your Amazon account, and you will see like on your like the new created portfolio with active campaigns. So yeah, all these actions just takes time in the case of like the API connections, in the case of like data that we analyze. So it could be so, but it's absolutely much faster than you will do it by yourself, by your own, analyzing all this data. So no worries about it.
Yeah, so computer does it in 10, 15 minutes, and yourself, you would spend probably several days to implement all that. All
Yeah,
right.
exactly.
So let's look at, I think your campaigns are already ready. Let's look, what do we see there?
Yeah. What do we have here? We see the status is finished. So the keywords amount that we provide you, like the relevant keywords, is 2,412. Yeah, and the essence is like 126. So let's see where we have them. Here's like the orange Klik portfolio with all the campaigns inside, yeah, as we discussed, like 9 different campaigns with a different strategies. All these campaigns are focusing in the case of like your goals, yeah. You could see, for example, let's go inside one of them, and you will see that the product is correct, the SKU is also right, so everything is working for you in the best way. uh, what really important to know that we do not only the keywords for you, yeah, just collect and that's all. We also do the, here it is, like the product, yeah. The status is because we take such product, so no worries about it. The all SKUs and essence are ready and like prepared for start working for you. Also, what you could see that we provide you with a bids and budget strategies for all of your like campaigns, yeah, and it's absolutely worked for you the best. You could see that all the campaigns, yeah, they have a own budget system, yeah, for each of them according to the budget that we just write down. I have write down like a $100 per day, yeah, and it's like divided these budgets into these numbers. It's like much more, yeah, not like much more, it's more, but if you will see, it will not spend all of this like money in one time, yeah. So no worries about it because it works in the case of like the bid strategies too. So everything is ready for you to start working, and you could test it.
So you said now you can test it, but the campaigns you showed, they were already inside Amazon and they're already running, right? Or there is another button to press in order to start the campaigns?
No, everything is ready. We have another button like inside of the software that you would like to publish them and in like post status, yeah, and they will be like disabled. So it's like 2 options, yeah. You could just, for example, spend some time for creating these campaigns, then wait, for example, 10-15 minutes, and after that your campaigns will start working, yeah, in the case of like the Amazon system, like in general. Or you could just pause them and enable when would you like to do it.
Thank you very much, Vitaly. Quite a useful tool for Amazon sellers. I hope so. I hope to those who are watching and trying Zero to Hero, let us know, send us feedback. How do you like their tool? And I would like to ask about the pricing. How is it priced? What are the packages? And since it is kind of together with Profit Whales, how does it work? All this, your product suite.
Yeah, thank you for this question. So we have like a flexible plans that will grow with you and help you to grow. Yeah. So the zero to hero, like one of the campaigns that we create for one of your products, it will cost you a 500, per one product. But if you have like more, like 6 and 20 or 21 up to 50 or more, it will just price will go down for each of them. If you will have like more than one hybrid SKU, just contact us and we will speak with you directly. So what it like will include this pricing. Yeah, I could repeat like one more time. You will get all this strategy inside your account per one of your products. You will have all needed relevant keywords, and you will not spend a time for searching of them. And you will absolutely sure that it will work for you in the best way and the right way. Yeah, and the next one is that everything will be ready to work according to your strategy. And now it will be much more simple to optimize because you could just go and continue working with us in the case of the optimization software that will do the data-driven decisions in this way.
Perfect. And now, can you tell us what are your plans with Zero to Hero? What are you planning to bring? What are the features? You already mentioned that you will implement Zero to Hero for other types of advertising, right? So.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Our main idea with the Zero to Hero is just to show that that is a 2020 strategy for the Amazon sellers, and that is a campaign structure that works for your directly goals. If you would like to double your results on the Amazon, here it is. Like the Zero to Hero could help you to do it. If you like to lower your ad costs, okay, let's find out what is like the best strategy and do it with a Zero to Hero and our optimization software. So the main idea, what we would like to reach, of course, we will go to the sponsored display campaigns and sponsor brands campaigns that will also do it automatically with the help of the software. So you'll just need to log in or be a user of the Profit Rails, and it will create it for you. And the next one, of course, is like the new market that we would like to be in. Yeah. The Canada, the Europe, and all of these markets should be open for us too. And I believe by the end of this year, you will see like next steps that the Profit Whales will perform.
Perfect. And final question, I guess. Do you have any offer for Demo Mondays viewers?
Of course, we have. for our audience, we every time have something good and something cool. So the first one, what do we have? If you will see, like inside, we have a prompt support that works our PPC specialists and account managers and client success managers like in one place. And what we could do is like the free audits for all of you and provide you with main recommendations, what should be improved in the case of the PPC in general, and how to do it like as soon as possible. It's like one of the things that we could do. The second one is like the promo code for the 50% for the first month of using the optimization automation software. Yeah, for 50%. Yeah, and here it is. You could just contact us and use all of these features in one place and to see how the Profit Whales could work for you.
Perfect. So if you're watching this video and you would like to test Profit Whales products, just find the links below this video and check how it works for you. All right. Thank you very much, Vitaly, and good luck in your business. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.